Hello everybody. This is my second video for today. I stopped out here in a little rest area in New Mexico to do my 30-minute break. I only had 2 hours and 16 minutes left on my clock. You can't drive over 8 hours without taking a 30-minute break, and then you gain back your remaining hours for the day. And we can drive up to 11 hours. Just a second. Y'all really don't want to see that jug that I'm using as a spit tune. But anyway, I am putting it out here. I'm gonna make another video tonight or maybe tomorrow about your health. I'm gonna show people what I do on the road to stay healthy and to look this good, right? Oh Lord, y'all don't take me serious. I'm just saying. What I'd like to do is meet up with as many of the YTPC members out here on the road as I can. Now, I'm going to put this out there. I run from Mississippi, southeast, through the southwest into California. Now, I may do that on I-10, or I may do that on I-30 to Texas, and then go up through Texas on US 287, and then catch I-40 and take I-40 up in the boot hill of Texas into California. Now, if you live on any of the routes, and that's pretty much the routes I'm gonna be running, will be I-30 to Dallas, then go up to I-40 on US 287, then I-40 all the way out if I'm going to California. Now, if I'm going to Nevada, Vegas, which I've been once so far, I've been here less than 2 months, and I also have gone up into Washington State. Now, those routes I would have to look at again. But if you live in any of the area that I'm gonna be running, get in touch with me. Maybe we can have a meetup, do a video for your channel or my channel, and have a pipe together. This truck has got more creaks and pops and snaps. This truck's got 296,338 miles on it. And for a semi truck, that should not be a great deal of miles. But I have body panels on the outside of this truck trying to fall off. The motor, so far so good. When I first got in it, I had to put 2 gallons of oil in it because whoever had it before me never checked the oil. And I've had to add 1 gallon since then. But anyway, getting back to this, I'm going to be running these routes for a while. So if anybody wants to have a meetup, get in touch with me. I'm going to put my phone number out here. So grab you a pen. I do not know how to add all the little, you know, bubbles or whatever, you know, showing my number. But my phone number is 901-463-5411. And my email is jackdo_2630@yahoo.com. Now, that is JACKD as in dog, O. A lot of people think I say B, but it's D. It's my old thick Mississippi accent. And it don't help that I got a mouthful of snuff right now. Yes, I'm using a water jug as a spit jug at the moment, because since I have been using my big old American Eagle thermos here, I have been running shy of spit cups. Get this big bugger out. It's still got a lot of iced coffee in it, and that helps keep me motivated and rolling. Get my fuel here. I done stopped to fuel the truck up in Albuquerque. Where did I fuel at? It's in Texas, El Paso. I do know we have one presenter in El Paso. That is the Piping Pasture. I tried to see if I had his number or his email, and I did not. So I was going to try to get in touch with him. But if y'all want me to have your email or your phone number, then please send it to me. And if you feel like calling and talking, call me. I ain't bashful. I'll answer. Just don't call me collecting no money, because I ain't got none. That's what I tell my bill collectors anyway. Send me a text. If you're wondering if I'm up driving or whatever, send me a text. If I'm up, I'll shoot you a text back. If I'm not, when I find it, I'll shoot you a text. I got me a hat a while ago. It's more of a wintertime hat. I'll show it to y'all. I got it for free because I used my points on my rewards card. We get so many points per gallon when we fuel. I'll show y'all. Let me get it sized here to fit this big old melon head of mine. There we go. Look at that. That's a little big. But it's a wintertime hat. It's got a full back to it. Yeah, I like that. There we go. I like free. So when I can get a little something for free, I do. Now I'll put my old Bass Pro Shop hat up in the windshield. Y'all get to look at this pretty new hat of mine on a big old round melon head. Me and Dixie is just sitting here chilling. I've been here 21 minutes so far. And in another 9 minutes, I will be lighting out, and I will have 3 hours and 45 minutes left I can drive. Now, planning is a big part of truck driving. You can't just get behind the wheel and go. You got a plan. Where are you going to fuel? Where are you going to take your breaks at? Where are you going to take, take your 10-hour break at? You can't just run that clock out and say, oh, I'm going to stop beside the road here. No. You can't do that. Although I have seen some of these illegal drivers, and that's a conversation of itself. Look, y'all don't get me wrong. I think everybody should have a chance at a good life. My people came to this country running from the potato famine and running from communism and God knows what else they ran from to try to have a free life, a better life. I begrudge nobody a better life. But all I ask for is when you come to this country, learn how to speak a little English to where we could maybe have a conversation. Adapt to our way of life over here, whatever that may be today, because honest to God, I've been seeing all of these communists on YouTube. I wasn't born in a communist country. I'm not going to live in a communist country, and I will die fighting to keep this from becoming a communist country. I only go to my knees for one, and that is the Lord above. I'd rather die on my feet than live on my knees. So, if I had my way about it, all the people that come to this country would do it the right way. They would assimilate into the American way of life, pay taxes, work your butt off just like I do, to have a better way of life instead of depending on the federal government to give you a better life. Nobody has ever given me and Mama nothing but a hard time. Now, that's a conversation for another time. But I will say that I have seen more accidents out here on the road in the past 10 so years than should ever be, because of ill-trained so-called truck drivers. Now, I will be touching on that subject later on. But the subject for this video will be, if you want to meet up with an old Mississippi redneck, give me a holler. I don't know what that was. Somebody hit me. My truck just jumped. My phone number and my email is in this video. Go back and watch it again or write it down. Love y'all. I'll see y'all down the road.